We have two different exterior products I'm going to talk about. This right here is solid white oak cladding. This is actually our product. It's been kiln dried but then left exposed to the weather just to acclimate a little bit, just to avoid any kind of expansion and contraction that you would get if it was actually kiln dried to an inside moisture content. Now over here we have thermally modified wall. The lighting's kind of funky, but it is very dark. It's almost a chocolate color. Now this right here is actually modified with heat only, so this is not chemically treated, which gives it an all natural appeal to most people. Now you can't really put any kind of color as much as protectant on this just because, you know, it's already dark. You can't lighten it any more than it already is. So basically what it does is it's put into a tank that is heated, and depending on the temperature will get you a certain color that you will get here. Now it usually will take the moisture content down to 0%. Now the only problem with that, if you have a 0% moisture content board and you put it outside, that board is then going to absorb all of that moisture in the air and potentially expand. So we left this outside just for a few days to kind of acclimate it and just see if there's going to be any expansion and contraction, just like we did with the white oak boards on this one here. Just to have a little bit of comparison, just because this also, what's neat about the thermally modified is the cellulose being in that heated container basically reduces all of the cellulose and all the flammable particles that is in wood. So this is just supposed to reduce the possibility of embarrassment and flames, say if you do have a building fire, which